Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video ay magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong napakasarap na beef caldereta. Hugasan natin ang ating beef at ang iba pa nating mga ingredients. Gagamit tayo ng ating pressure cooker para lumambot ang ating beef. Katamtamang level ng ating water doon sa ating pressure cooker, i-add natin ang ating malinis na beef. Mag-add ng sibuyas, loya, bawang, lemongrass, 5 pirasong cloves, 2 pirasong catamon seeds, konting star anise, pamintang poo, salt and pepper to taste. I-pressure cooker natin guys, at pag malambot ng ating baka, set aside lang muna natin. Magpainit ng mantika, mag-isa ng maraming sibuyas, konting bawang, konting luya, marang petong green chili, 1 pirasong pilip, 5 pirasong clove, 2 pirasong catamon seed, konting star anise. Antayin lang natin maging aromatic ito. Gisunar natin ang ating nasit aside na malambot na beef. Dagad pa tayo ng mga spicy powder para mas masarap. Turmeric, coriander, curry, paprika, cinnamon, catamon, red chili, and black pepper. Yung ating mga seasoning, meron tayong oyster sauce, soy sauce, chicken cubes, peanut butter, tomato paste, napakasarap nito guys, at yung ating soap stock. Kung gusto nating masapaw ay dagdagan lang natin guys yung ating soap stock, at kung walang soap stock ay okay lang ang ating water. Prinito na rin natin ang ating slice of carrots, potato, and green bell pepper. Ilagay na rin natin unahin natin ilagay ang ating carrots and potato. Takpan ito para maluto ito, at huli natin ilalagay ang ating green bell pepper kasi malambot siya or madali siyang maluto. And magad tayo ng cheese kung meron tayo guys. Meron ako, nakalimutan ko lang ilagay, nasa ref. Antayin lang natin maluto ang ating carrots, potato, and green bell pepper. Nagad pa tayo ng diluted cornstarch and all-purpose flour para mas creamy ito. Luto na ito guys, mag-ready tayo ng ating lakayan. Kakain tayo ng napakasarap na breakfast. For hot drinks, meron tayong combined lemongrass and onion tea, slice of onion, konting loya, konting bawang, 5 pirasong cloves, ground pepper, yung ating tea seeds. Papakuloyin lang natin ito guys. And naglagay pa tayo ng turmeric and fresh mint leaf. Kain tayo guys. Food is ready for masarap na breakfast. Mapaparami tayo ng kain ito at napakasarap ang ating special beef caldereta at malambot pa ito. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, share, and you can also subscribe to. Kain tayo guys. Let's enjoy the food and thank you so much for watching.